Hey guys, welcome back to how-to videos with cutting trails. Today we got a Wildcat trail. What'd you say? 2014?
Yes, sir.
2014. We're gonna be doing a clutch kit on it. We just unboxed it. That's it right there. So
it's not even open yet.
Not even open yet. So a little bit of how-to on how to do it. Give you an idea on what you're getting yourself into. When we get this open, also we're going to be looking at the belt, because if you guys saw the last video, there's a part in there where this belt gets smoked. I'll add that to this video so you guys can see it in case you missed it in our last venture. Record this.
Belts surprisingly don't look too bad. On the secondary,
Okay.
you gotta make sure that, because this kind of locks in, they're balanced. If you don't match them up, they're not balanced.
Okay. That's good to know.
And if you come over here, you can see through that hole that there's an X inside.
X right back there, X there, and X there.
And there's your X right there.
Alright guys, so this X right here
Goes into that side.
goes into this side right here. As you can see, there's a small little X there. Sometimes that wears out, so before you do this, it's good to
And I marked it there. That's my
mark
previous
this.
mark. Just so you know.
And just
That's last
give
time
it a
I
little
changed the
tap
belt.
and it comes right off after you take the bolt out.
So we got 4 washers. And our spring's inside here.
Alright, we're to the first spring.
Set them back. Just so I don't lose them. You definitely want to be careful with that being aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
When you're tightening that stuff. So I believe
That makes sense. As a steel washer goes right down there against the aluminum, then the spring goes on. Alright guys, and we already got a new belt. It's gonna go on it. You can see nice clean edges.
This is not beveled at all.
Nice flat, not beveled. This is actually slightly raised, that brown part. Here it's beveled.
It's been burned.
Been burned. This is indented.
And you can see right there.
There it is. Right
Tore
there.
up a little bit.
Hey guys, some belts are directional. They'll have arrows painted on them pointing the way. It'll point the way. Alright guys, so this kit that Shane bought, you can change the weights, and we're going with the 1/2 inch.
The 1/2 inch for 27, 28 inch tires.
And you can actually change these out
on the fly.
On the fly. And what we decided to do is the bottom all the way out. in here, because that's where the weight's at. Here's the weight, and this is where it's how it throws right there, guys.
And so they come with these set screws.
Yeah, and you gotta measure them. Just gonna throw them on in. Comes with this handy dandy tool too. Then you can add it to your stash of tools.
And there is an exception for sand and stuff.
Yeah, follow the instructions.
They say to use less flyweight mass for different sand and pedals. So you might have to play with it a little bit.
Yep, find the adjustment you like and what terrain you're riding in. We ride in wooded and mud.
And sand.
And sand. We ride in everything. So, but we're just going off of the tire size right now, and then if we decide to change it, if we don't like it, we can change it on the fly, because that's how it's made.
We'll just pull the cover and
on the boys now, you'll be a little bit.
change them out.
Yep. There you go.
Get released.
Yep. Oh shit! It's really released. It's
Released?
yeah, it's released.
There's those little shims. Make sure you get them out.
Hey guys, so this washer, it's called a step washer in the instructions. I don't know if you can see it on the video or on this, but there's a small little step there. That goes to the outside. So, step washer goes to the outside of the weight. Alright? Alright guys, so the way that this goes in, I'm gonna go and push that in right there. The easiest way is to use gravity. Make sure the step part is down. We're going to put this weight in. A little difficult here. Make sure you keep it level. There we go. All right. Now, here comes a tough one. All right. A little too high right there. Here, Shane, you want to hold that? All right, so I got this other step washer, and then this step washer goes up. You use gravity, bring the screw down. And once you get it in place, push the screw up slightly, and you're through. And there you go. Add your nut, and you're good for this one.
What's your on your nose? We are. And I had to roll my nose on one.
If you line up the X's that we talked about earlier.
An X. And where's your X?
Right there.
So next X.
Sure, 2 lines right there.
Kind of has to rotate in. Into
Oh
this.
yeah.
So you gotta get the teeth kind of lined up. But you gotta kind of like squish the belt to get that to go started. And you're supposed to just have to. There you go.
Alright guys, she's up and running. Let's see how badly we messed this up.
Oh, it came a lot quicker right there.
Yeah?
First, I used to have to go up to like 3,000 some RPM.
You're already rolling.
I'm already rolling at 19. You used to have to go at like 32.
Yeah, you used to have to rev it up a lot just to get going.
In reverse.